How to cook chicken gyros. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. In a large bowl, combine marinade ingredients and stir well. Greek yogurt, 2 cups. Lemon juice, 1/4 cups. Olive oil, 3/4 cups. Salt, 1 tablespoon. Minced garlic, 1 tablespoon. Coriander, 1 tablespoon. Paprika, 1 tablespoon. Cumin, 1 tablespoon. Cayenne, 1/2 teaspoon. Cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. On a cutting board, place a piece of plastic wrap over the chicken thighs and pound until about 1/2 inch, 1 centimeter, thick with a meat mallet, rolling pin, or heavy pan. In another large bowl or gallon plastic bag, combine chicken thighs and marinade, stirring well to coat, cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour and up to 1 day. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Shred the cucumber, be sure to squeeze out any excess liquid. In a medium bowl, combine tzatziki ingredients and stir well, cover and refrigerate at least 30 minutes. On a baking sheet or a large cast iron skillet, use the onion half as a base and position the skewer vertically like a spit. Skewer the chicken thighs individually, rotating each 190 degrees. Bake for 1.5 to 2 hours, until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. Let cool for 10 minutes. Carve off slices of chicken to fill a pita. Top with onion slices, tomato slices, and tzatziki sauce. Serve and enjoy. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for chicken gyros. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.